One of the things that drew me to dentistry was that I love it when people smile. This is the very foundation of good, friendly relations. As a future dentist, I believe that sound education is equally as important. This is why I chose to study at Poznan University of Medical Sciences. Studies at PUMS are not just lecture-based. There's also plenty of practical courses. And as they say, practice makes perfect, so I'm glad I'm able to test my knowledge at the clinical level during my studies. This is where I work on real cases and have contact with real patients. Plus, I get to use cutting-edge medical equipment. I learned dental technique not only through textbooks, but also through practicing my skills. I take advantage of the knowledge of senior lecturers as well as practicing physicians. Upon completion of the 5-year DDS, I will be a doctor of dental surgery. An extra 2 years and I will be able to practice in North America.